Bro, I was late as hell for the whole thing. I packed this morning. Now look at the boys.
Hey, you know what it is. 13 hours.
That's it?
To Colorado.
That's it? Bro, that's fine. We can do that right
another
now.
13, or another like 18 to San Fran. Actually.
Oh, the boys already played.
Look at this bitch. It's a limo.
It has been raining the entire drive. Now we're stopping for some food. I just ate, but gotta hit up some Chipotle real quick. We just wrapped up Chipotle, bro. Whole chair's broken. Hey!
We're deep in Iowa right now. Ripping Target. We're gonna see what they have.
Bro, if y'all think you walk fucking fast, this man is running, bro.
This is slow for me.
This is bro, I'm huffing and puffing trying to keep up with bro. I don't understand how I fucking do this every time. Every trip we go on, forget a damn toothbrush. Gotta keep the pearly whites clean, you know? Successful run?
Yes, sir. Saw a couple fours.
Couple.
Success.
Alright, she got it.
Yeah.
He's already laying down?
No.
Where'd he go?
To dump the garbage.
I was like, what the fuck? Alright, so we're in the middle of, actually we're not in the middle, I don't even know where we are. We're in Iowa somewhere.
We're about to take some corn. Call some corn goblins. Go, go, go! This shit low-key nice, not gonna lie. You got a nice view over there? Bro, there's no corn here. Merch, you won't walk through here. Give me next.
Look at these fools.
Another fucking drill. It's like we never left Arizona. Or I left Arizona.
Said I got a drinking problem.
How's it coming, boys? Good? Yes, sir. Can't do another fucking college campus. Can you guess where we are? How much is this shit?
50 for out of state.
50 for out of state? So only $50 for out of state? For what? Per day? You see this grass? This is $50,000 grass.
I'd pay $50,000 to go here just for the grass.
Imagine just laying in the grass.
Fuck no,
After class.
itchy as hell.
Nah, this grass don't get you itchy.
He said this.
Definitely big.
Oh, this is nice and soft.
No way!
It's nice. It's a good length.
It's like soft too.
It's nice. I give it an 8.3.
It's nice.
I think I'm gonna give it a 9.
I am hanging out with some fucking creatures, boy. I thought I left the creatures in LA and in Minnesota. Got 2 more right here. God damn.
Probably make some good chairs. 7.8.
The bitch looks dry as hell.
Tell it's white.
But they literally labeled the tree. That's how you know they got money to spend. Not just looks, I think this looks like a cottonwood.
Yeah, you can tell it's a cottonwood by the way it is.
Look at this, look at it. It's equal on both sides. These are the dorms? Yeah, we're gonna sneak in the window. We went to Cato. They had us living in a hotel. Here they got them living in Rome. Literally, look, you got a balcony. It's a Romeo Brewski. Right out the window, boy. Oh my god. We picked the wrong college.
I might have to transfer. 50K don't sound too bad to me.
And y'all living in Crawford C, and their motherfuckers living in that bitch.
I'm living in a fucking room with no air conditioning. It smells like horse shit. Listening to little snore every day.
No fucking way.
Oh
no way. They got a pool on campus. A hot tub right there too. Hot tub Wednesdays. Shout out Cato. I would jump off the top of the building.
That's how amped that'd be. Like, jump, jump, jump.
No way, they were biking down this. Look at this. Oh, there's a cabin down there. What? Yes, sir. What? Look at Listen, so we just pulled up at the place, right? Well, we pulled up earlier. I'm gonna break the news to Benji. So we just went to the store. We got like all this food. We got pizzas, chicken, and they don't have a stove or anything. They have like a mini fridge and a microwave. And it's literally just 3 rooms. It's just rooms. Bro. Yeah, and it's not even ready yet.
Oh my god.
But hold on, look, come look at this view. Look at this shit, boy. Okay, wait. When you looked at the picture,
Is there a bathroom?
yes, there's a bathroom.
Alright. Because Louise told me there's only 3 rooms.
cause that's what she said. That's all she said.
Bro,
There might not be a bathroom,
there
bro.
might not be a bathroom.
Let's go. Please, for the love of
Look
God.
at fucking Columbine.
For the love of God.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh.
All right, well, there's a fucking living room.
Yeah, that's not bad.
What? That's the kitchen.
That is the kitchen.
There's 2 bathrooms.
Oh, Mercer's another bathroom.
Oh, this bitch is nice.
What? What do you mean? No. Sit in there. Sit in there, bro.
Why do we need 2 bathrooms? Just give us a stove.
Yeah, fuck
Bro,
this bathroom. Put a
oh my
stove right here.
God.
Yeah, just throw a stove back
This
there.
place is actually nice.
I'm making a shower.
Oh, it's that thing right there.
No, that's to plug the drain.
Watch.
No way. How do I make it a shower?
There must be like a hidden door or something, bro.
Yeah, bro, we're in the fucking boonies right now, as you can see. Merch, we got no stove. Fucking, but we got some nice bedrooms over there, no cap. And that one cleaning lady, she's kind of cute. Might have to go see what's good with her.
I'm about to go fucking go get the boys. Well, there's no service out here. Like, there's not shit out here. So, if I don't find them, bro, yeah. That's like one thing I like about fucking traveling. Okay. Boys and just not caring. Come back, Alvin. Alvin, come on, boy. Hell nah. Bro, Estes is running. Boys are on a little adventure. We went to that one spot, we took a little family picture, but now we're in. I think we have like 30 minutes before sunset. We're just trying to see if there's any like better spot for that, so we don't miss our turn, I guess. I don't know. If you guys haven't already, make sure to follow my Instagram. It's gonna be in the description down below, and from there you guys are gonna see the boys' Instagram. Shit got elevated, bro. Just wait. These pictures are fucking fire.
You know what's poppin', man? We got the Glizzy gang in this bitch. We in Colorado looking out for the Glizzy bears.
Alright, but yeah, in all seriousness, in all seriousness though, like, I know I've been traveling a fuck ton. I know I've just been cutting to like the funny parts or like the fun parts, but what, bro? 20K? Come on. But I just want to say thank you. Estes Park, come here. Day 2. Elevation is doing numbers on me, boy.
I don't know which key to use. I don't know which lock to put it in.
You gotta put it in the top one.
I swear it was the bottom one last time.
Really? We literally spent like 5 minutes yesterday trying to fucking open the door to get in. Damn, they're gonna kick it. Huh? I guess today we're hiking to the top of the fucking peak or whatever the fuck. You guys can't see it through the trees, but right there. We're in the middle of bumfuck right now. Might as well hike it sick. Hell no. Whole splinter. You might as well jump on it. Oh shit, short ass stick. You might as well use that whole thing.
Use that.
Hell no. It's like 30 pounds.
There you go.
Imagine you just started fucking rolling.
I'd have been sad as hell. Literally right when I sat down too. I mean, we can't even start talking.
We gotta get an oxygen mask.
And we're going.
We almost to the fence.
Oh my god, we're going higher than that shit right there.
We're not going to that?
No. We're going
There's
like
another one?
over like where there's no trees. Where the Lorax does not speak for the trees no more.
But I thought you were the Lorax.
Nah.
You look just like him.
Nah, that's it.
Say cheese. Bro, I swear to God, we only fucking hiked 2 minutes from the last spot.
It'll get easier. This is the hardest part.
Bro, I don't know if you're looking at what I'm looking at. That is not easier.
This shit is so steep.
It's a triple black diamond, boy.
I was chugging water. I was suffocating.
Ben is just flying. Only one without the bag. We gotta damn near gotta leave the bags. Now they're tweaking.
We'll take our sweet ass time.
We might have to even take a break soon.
They're tweaking what?
They're gonna be dogging. There ain't like anywhere else, bro. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like, it ain't full. It's like you breathing through like.
This is like 1/4 air. It's like you're breathing through a straw.
Like you gotta take a deep ass breath to just get like a
Half a
full,
breath.
Yeah.
Wait.
I said yesterday.
The Minecraft signs.
That's what I said yesterday. I was like, damn, them bitches straight out of mine. Because the lady at the front desk said, hour and a half up, hour and a half down. But we took stops, so.
Hell yeah. Of course we're gonna take some spots.
20 more minutes.
I'm not running up this.
Them little kids were packing like a motor.
Yeah, bro, the little kids, we saw them like 10 minutes ago and they fucking said there was like an hour and 45 left. What? Where? What you gotta say before they see the view?
I don't know.
Any of y'all got something to say?
Hopefully it'll look better on camera.
This brake feeling nice.
Ooh! Low key? Should I scale that bitch and you take a picture while I'm climbing it?
You're not gonna scale that.
Not scale it, but I could climb up halfway.
Alright.
What is going on, ProjectSploosh? We posted.
Oh my god.
Y'all gotta come up here.
Bro, I'm doing some rock climbing down here.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm about to climb up that, bro. One wrong move. One wrong move in here. Woo. I will show you guys. One wrong move. Look at these dudes. One wrong move, and they toast.
There's some nice
Toast. But that's alright, because they already paid for the Airbnb in San Fran, so. Damn, this is low-key a workout. I don't know how David Dobrik be doing this all day. Hey, fall down for the video, bro. He'd be like, hey, fall down. I'll buy you a car, bro, fall down.
Heroes climbing behind me. Look at this view, bro. You like the view?
Badass, beautiful as fuck.
Look at this, come on.
Goddamn.
National Geographic. What's up?
Put us on the cover.
Oh, it's raining. It's raining over there. We gotta go down soon. Windy as hell. This is the view right here. It's literally raining. Oh my god. It's literally raining right there. For the stunt. For the stunt. Oh yeah, bro, you're good. You're literally good for it. Alright, since Ben didn't take initiative, I have to.
Bro, I went off just as good of a spot. I just didn't want to rock on my ass. Bro. Oh, you're hanging like that?
No, I'm gonna hang. What? Bro, that was like 30 minutes ago. That was over the hills though. Like, look how fast the clouds are moving.
We gotta go. That shit is moving. That is just moving.
Oh my god! Oh my god, the sun's going away! Oh fuck, oh my god.
So weird. Like
It's like, yeah.
but like we're so high up, this shit could be coming from anywhere and just getting blown to us.
Yeah.
I think that's what it's happening.
Hold the fuck, hold on.
We might have taken a different path.
Bro, what the
We might
fuck?
have taken like a different path.
Okay, so y'all remember the field that we were on where we fucking rock climbed up? Somehow we missed that open field. Like, we've been looking for it the whole time. Somebody explained to me, how the fuck we missed that?
We're moving quick.
We're moving quick as hell. Bro, I'm hungry as hell. So we've literally burned like 1,000+ calories from this damn walk, bro. And I didn't eat today. Like, fuck, is this too skinny to be doing that? They literally gave us keys that do not work. Like, we've tried every door, every single key, multiple times. Yesterday we were out here for like 5 minutes trying to open this bitch. Look. Oh, it goes in.
But it doesn't fucking turn like a key should. Why?
Bro, we're gonna have to walk all the way back up there.
We are. How did Anthony figure it out yesterday?
Bro, I don't know. I don't think it was even locked. All right, so we're back to where we were yesterday, but we took a different trail this time. We went, instead of going up there, we just ripped a trail down here. This, come on. I'm gonna have to hit the drum. Okay. This might be a mission to get up here. Holy. Trying to hold this for 2 seconds.
Dude, that's sketchy as fuck. Are you good?
Yeah. All right, your turn.
For what?
To climb over here. Bro, it's not bad at all.
Negative.
No. Bro, it's not bad at all. What do you mean?
What about this way?
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Bro, it's not bad at all. I'll take. There you go.
Bro, how are we gonna get to them?
Bro, it's easy.
I'm gonna go up and around.
Oh, look how close you are.
Going glizzy?
Come on, Glizzy. You want Glizzy? Come on. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna trap them.
You're not trapping shit up there.
Yeah, they're gone.
No, they're right there. Bro, this is
Loki's stuck.
No, not to the street.
We didn't might as well go to the street.
Let's go to the street.
Where's the Big Dipper at?
Don't. I think it's over
right
here.
there.
He's about to walk to that motherfucker. What happened?
So like I saw something like way up there. It was like it wasn't bobbing up and down. Like I don't think it was an animal. Like at first I thought it was like some motorcycle or moped. It was just fast as fuck, like a straight line. So I don't want to like see it again because I don't know what that was.
Bro ass got fucking latent tweaking over here.
tweaking.
Hell nah, but literally all the way up there, like in that little spot right there.
Tell me that ain't creepy as fuck.
Well, it is, but bro, if you think about it too much at night, you're fucked.
Like, what is it gonna be?
I
Dude,
mean,
a Bigfoot.
Bigfoot,
Dude, that'd be sick if we saw Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. But we're taking pictures of the stars right now, bro. Come on.
Should we go take a ride?
I don't know,
This
bro.
man just took the best picture of his life.
This career.
Bro, I forgot. So look, I'm literally jimmy rigging it with this shit. I had this like wrapped around that, but on this side, and there's like a little lake here. So what do you think you saw now?
Dude, I don't know. Lane's fucking deep in thought over there.
What's going on in the head?
I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that spot. Because as soon as that motherfucker start running at us,
Hell no.
I'm mooning that bitch. That bitch will run away.
Hell no. Alright, well, what do y'all want to do now?
I look, you want to go up there.
Brian, that's the last thing I'm doing. I'm going back in the cabin.
Yeah, let's
I
go.
think it is.
What?
Bro, I'm not going. I'm not going.
What is that? You didn't see that? I swear I just saw what Ariel saw.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I swear to God. You didn't see that?
No, I was.
I put it on my baby.
Yo, there's nothing on my baby. You would know.
I was just fun. I was trying to see what Layton would do.
I want to go up there. You're tweaking.
I low-key just saw it.
Dude.
I swear to God.
It was like,
I literally just, like, in the woods. Like, in the woods, I low-key saw it.
I couldn't really describe it. It's kind of like a greenish color. Like, it was a weird
No,
color.
I low-key saw it because it was just going straight across. And it was tall as fuck.
I couldn't do it. Let's just go. Let's go. I'm going to go. I can't do it.
Welcome back.
Well, if y'all die, I ain't finishing the trip alone.
Come on, I'm not even trying to, like...
Be scary, you know. I swear to God, I saw that shit.
Wait, what color did it look to you? It was like some...
It was like lighter.
Yeah, that's what it was like. It was like kind of like a light.
It wasn't like black. It wasn't
It was
like
not
a figure. You could like see it.
Yeah, it was like not... It wasn't like dark at all. That's it was like a light green.
You could like see it.
Alright, let's go. It was like a weird color.
Bro, no, this is the white activity. This is y'all white activities. I'm not doing that. I'm too Hispanic for that.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you going?
Come on.
He's just like the main office lady getting her laps in.
Alright, when we were in Tampa, the first night we were staying there, we were all about to fall asleep. Like, we were all in our own rooms and shit. And all of a sudden, we start hearing this noise from the fucking closet. And we're like, no fucking way. And it's like this tapping noise and like pounding noise.
That's just conjuring.
Like pounding, like straight up pounding. Like knocking.
Bro, why are you?
Look at it.
So, we're like tweaking, and all of a sudden we're like, alright, it would not make this noise like a bunch. We're like, alright, if someone's here, make a noise. And it just went